If there was one essential oil you should focus on, it is rose. Rose essential oil is the queen of essential oils because it does so many things. I'm going to share 2 of them with you in this video. You'll learn how rose can improve sleep and how it's massively anti-aging for your skin. You heard me in the intro, but I'll say it again. Rose is the queen of essential oils, and it's because there is nothing rose essential oil can't do. I could spend forever telling you all about it, but I'm limiting myself to just 2 ways today to tell you how rose essential oil is and why it's the bomb. Are you ready to hear them? All right, the very first thing that rose essential oil does for you is improve your sleep. What's so amazing about this is you don't have to diffuse essential oils, rose essential oil at night to even get this benefit. You can simply take some pure, I don't mean rose spray, but pure oil and dilute it with coconut oil and make your own rollerball. And you can get a pre-made rose essential oil rollerball, or you can dilute it yourself and put it on the bottom of your feet. Any guesses why on the bottom of your feet? When you roll oils onto the bottom of your feet, they enter your bloodstream so much more quickly. So when you're ready to go to sleep, if you roll that oil onto your feet, you'll feel so much better and you'll have so much of a faster impact. Additionally, putting oil on your feet grounds you. And if there's ever a time to feel grounded, it's when you're sleeping. Now, here's another way to get this benefit. If you've got pure rose essential oil, and I don't mean rose water, you can place 1 drop of it on your pillowcase, or if you don't want the oil on your pillowcase, sleep with a stuffy. Or you can put a drop on a cotton ball and keep that cotton ball right by your pillow. Then you're literally aromatically breathing it in. It's so good. Breathing that oil in can totally ease you into good night's sleep, a great night's sleep. In fact, this little hack is so effective. A study was conducted with sleep in children. And by simply adding 1 drop of rose essential oil to a cotton ball at night and placing it by their pillow, they were much more likely to fall asleep easier and stay asleep longer. Amazing, right? Now, maybe you're seeing why rose essential oil is the queen. Those sleep benefits alone are amazing. But remember, I had 2 benefits. And here's the second one. The second thing about rose essential oil, and not rose water, but rose oil, is that it has anti-aging properties. If you have skin that you care about anti-aging, right, which you should, and maybe you're at a point where you're thinking, I really should start figuring out this skincare routine thing, you can take a little step forward by using that same roller that you just purchased or made for yourself before sleep and roll it onto your skin. I do that every morning and evening. Or you could add 1 drop of pure rose essential oil into your current moisturizer. Because here's the thing about rose and its ability to protect your skin because of the vitamin C that's so concentrated in those rose petals, right? When you add the oil to your skincare routine, it helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I think that deserves some hand clapping, right? Emojis. But it kind of doesn't stop there. Rose is naturally antimicrobial. Did you realize that? Antimicrobial and antiviral, which means you can put a drop in your cleanser to really boost that cleansing power. Or you can use the oil cleansing method to clean your face and add 1 drop of rose oil. So let me break this down for those of you who haven't tried this cleansing routine yet. The oil cleansing method is very simple. You dampen a washcloth with warm water. Then you put that warm washcloth on your face for just 20 or 30 seconds. And then you rub coconut oil all over your skin, fractionated coconut oil. Then you take that same washcloth and use it to wipe off the oil. This will remove all the impurities. And if you've added 1 drop of rose oil to that washcloth, you have seriously upped your cleansing game. All right, my friends? So to quickly recap, rose is the queen of essential oils because it's so amazing. And it does a million things, but 2 of the things that we talked about today are help promote sleep, help reduce signs of aging, and antimicrobial and antiviral. I've got a free ebook for you that teaches you even more info about how to use essential oils the safe way and the most effective way. And you can download it free right here at haleyhobson.com/all about essential oils ebook. Now, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments what your thoughts are about rose essential oil. And don't forget to subscribe too so you never miss a video. I will see you online.